Hello students, today we will understand how to solve such questions where we have to do the polynomial division. Now in this we will divide the polynomial expression with 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 so that we'll get the remainder which we will subtract from this polynomial expression so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. I know it seems difficult but it is not. If you will follow all the steps, whatever I'm going to tell you now, you will be able to do these sort of questions anytime. So let's begin. 8x raised to power 4 plus 14x raised to power 3 minus 2x squared plus 7x minus 8, and we have to divide it with 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. So you can see here we have 4x squared, here we have 8x raised to power 4. So what we will do, first we will divide 8x raised to power 4 with 4x squared. Once we will divide it, we have to simplify it. We will simplify this also, we will simplify. Here it will be x squared left. So we are getting 2x squared. Now after this, we will write down 2x squared here and we will times it with 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now let's multiply it. It will be equals to 2x squared into 4x squared plus 2x squared into 3x plus 2x squared into, we'll put a bracket because it's a negative 2, is equals to, we will get 8x raised to power 4 plus 6x raised to power 3 minus 4x raised to power 2. Now we will write down here 2x raised to power 2, and now we have to write down below whatever the values we got when we multiply 2x squared with 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. But make sure whenever you are writing the values, write down the like variables below the like variables. Then we have minus 4x squared. Now we have to change the sign. If it is plus, we'll change it to minus. We will change it to minus. If it is minus, we will change it to plus, and then we will solve it. So it's basically 8x raised to power 4 minus 8x raised to power 4. So it is 0. We will cancel it out. Then it is 14x raised to power 3 minus 6x raised to power 3, which is equals to 8x raised to power 3. Then it is minus 2x squared plus 4x squared, which is equals to plus 2x squared. If you don't want to follow these steps, which I'm doing it separately, if you want to do it directly, you can do it. If you have any confusion subtracting it directly, you can follow the steps which I have already told you. Now after this, whatever the numbers are left, we have to write down them without changing their signs. So it will be plus 7x minus 8. Now after this, the next number is 8x cube and I have to divide it with 4x squared. We are doing the same step like we did before. Now we will simplify it. We'll get here 2, we'll get here just x. So we are getting 2x. We will write down 2x, then the bracket, and we will multiply it with 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Then we will open the brackets, 2x into 4x squared plus 2x into 3x plus 2x into negative 2 within the brackets. Now we will get here 8x cube plus 6x squared minus 4x. Now we will write down here plus 2x, and here we will write down 8x cube plus 6x squared minus 4x. Now we have to change the signs. This will be negative, this will be negative, this will be positive. So 8x cube minus 8x cube, it is 0. So we can cancel that. Then it is 2x squared minus 6x squared, which is minus 4x squared. Then plus 7x plus 4x, which is equals to plus 11x. And the number which is left, we will write down here, which is negative 8. Now we have the next number, which is minus 4x squared, and we will divide it with 4x squared. So once we will divide, we'll get here negative 1. Now we have to write down that negative 1, and if we have to multiply it with 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Once we will open the bracket, we will get minus 1 into 4x squared minus 1 into 3x minus 1 into negative 2 within the bracket. We'll get here minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 2. Now we will write on here negative 1 and we will write on all the values below minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 2. Now we have to change the signs here. This will become plus, this will become plus, this will become minus. Now it is minus 4x squared plus 4x squared. That means it's 0. We can cancel it. Then it is 11x plus 3x, which is equals to 14x. Then negative 8, negative 2, which is equals to negative 10. That means 14x minus 10, we have to subtract from this so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. I hope you understand the question very well. You understand all the steps. If you will follow the steps which I have explained, which no one will explain you like this, you will be able to solve any sort of such questions with a very much ease. I hope that you like the video. Please hit the like button, comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.